It's more a marketing and PR exercise. It's not about how fast you go, it's how fast you tell people you're going. They're not designed for racing, this is just a bit of fun, but for a weekend boat there's so much room and it's easy to handle. Like if you, because I can sail this by myself, you don't need a crew. So when we tack, I'll get on that side and then you get on ready with this one with a winch. And pull it in as hard as you can with the hands first, it's probably the easiest way, and then switch over to the winch. So there's our start boat there, so we're going to go do a bit of a circle. Okay, so you want the winch on this side, so get it three times round. Okay, you ready to tack? Going about, and then we'll start turning. The sail will come over, you watch your head, Josh. So go pull it in first. Yep, a bit tighter. Sometimes Gabby will come out for a couple of days on the weekend and then I'll spend a week out with the kids on the boat and have a great time. Got a shower and everything, and so it's just like a little unit.